Some viewers asked for more detailed critical analysis in our indicator reviews. Today we're delivering exactly that. We've selected deliberately diverse indicators to showcase our comprehensive evaluation process, using 5 consistent criteria: originality, usefulness, visualization, customization, and logic. Some criteria may outweigh others depending on the indicator's design and purpose. Our rankings remain objective. Every indicator faces identical evaluation standards. While some scores may surprise you, they reflect measurable qualities rather than personal preference. Remember, even lower-scored indicators can be valuable in the right trading context. We'll start with the lowest-scored indicator and work up. After seeing each in action, share your thoughts in the comments. Does the ranking match your practical experience? Let's dive in. Auto Support V0.3. Created by JMC, this Pine script indicator generates multiple support and resistance levels using a multiplication-based approach across various look-back periods. The indicator operates by taking a user-defined sensitivity parameter, 1 to 10, and multiplying it by predetermined factors to establish different timeframe perspectives. Each multiplication creates both a resistance line from the highest price and a support line from the lowest price over that specific period. This generates up to 56 total lines on the chart, creating a comprehensive grid of potential reversal points. The visualization displays resistance levels in red and support levels in blue, with adjustable transparency settings. All lines extend infinitely forward with price tracking enabled, allowing traders to see where historical extremes project into future price action. Traders can use this indicator to identify confluence zones where multiple support or resistance levels cluster together, suggesting stronger probability areas for price reactions. Strategy applications include using the nearest levels for stop-loss placement, targeting breakout trades when price moves beyond multiple levels simultaneously, or identifying ranging markets when price remains contained within the grid structure. Pros: time frame diversification, confluence identification, forward projection capability. Cons: visual chart clutter, redundancy multiplication, sensitivity oversimplification. Ranking: 4 out of 10. The indicator's strength lies in its comprehensive approach to capturing multiple time frame extremes, but this becomes its primary weakness through excessive visual noise. While the mathematical progression creates thorough coverage, the lack of intelligent filtering or dynamic adjustment makes it more of a brute force solution than a refined analytical tool. Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner. Created by BTC Charlie, this Pine script indicator combines dual EMA trend analysis with stochastic RSI momentum filtering to identify macro trend shifts. The system uses fast and slow EMAs with an optional consolidated EMA display mode for streamlined visualization. The indicator generates buy and sell signals based on EMA crossovers while implementing a counting mechanism that tracks consecutive bullish or bearish conditions. Bar coloring provides immediate visual feedback: green for bullish signals, red for bearish signals. The stochastic RSI component adds momentum confirmation with customizable K and D smoothing and adjustable overbought/oversold levels. This oscillator helps filter EMA signals by confirming momentum alignment with trend direction. The stochastic RSI crossovers provide additional entry opportunities when momentum aligns with the prevailing trend direction established by the EMAs. Users can toggle between single consolidated EMA or dual EMA display, adjust all EMA periods, customize stochastic RSI parameters including smoothing and band levels, select moving average filter type and length, and enable various background color alerts for different crossover conditions. The indicator includes comprehensive alert conditions for both EMA and stochastic RSI signals. Pros: whipsaw reduction methodology, multi-time frame momentum confirmation, visual signal clarity. Cons: signal delay accumulation, parameter complexity, trend reversal lag. Ranking: 6 out of 10. It combines established EMA crossover methodology with stochastic RSI filtering and implements a counting system to reduce false signals. While the multi-component approach provides confirmation, the resulting complexity and inherent lag from multiple filters may cause missed opportunities in fast-moving markets. GMMA Oscillator. Created by Just Uncle L, this Pine script indicator transforms the Guppy multiple moving average system into an oscillator format, measuring the percentage difference between fast and slow GMMA sets. The oscillator concept was originally developed by Leon Wilson, adapting Darrell Guppy's moving average methodology into momentum analysis. The indicator calculates two groups of exponential moving averages, 6 fast EMAs, representing short-term trader activity, and 6 slow EMAs, tracking long-term investor behavior. The oscillator line shows the percentage difference between these groups, while a signal line uses exponential smoothing for crossover signals. Trading signals generate when the oscillator crosses above the signal line for bullish conditions, or below for bearish conditions. The percentage-based calculation normalizes the difference regardless of price level, making it applicable across various instruments and time frames. Background coloring provides visual confirmation of current market bias. The indicator supports anchor time frame functionality, allowing users to apply higher time frame calculations while viewing on lower charts. This multi-time frame capability helps align short-term signals with broader market direction. Smoothing options reduce noise in the oscillator line while maintaining signal integrity. Users can switch between standard Guppy and Super Guppy calculations. Pros: trend momentum quantification, multi-time frame synchronization, signal clarity enhancement. Cons: lagging indicator nature, whipsaw vulnerability, parameter sensitivity. Ranking: 7 out of 10. It successfully converts the popular GMMA system into oscillator format, providing clearer signal identification through crossover methodology. The anchor timeframe feature adds professional-grade functionality, though the inherent lag from multiple moving averages limits its effectiveness in rapidly changing market conditions. Order blocks with volume. Created by Clay Waite, this Pine script indicator identifies order blocks through consolidation pattern recognition combined with volume analysis confirmation. The indicator operates by first identifying consolidation phases, where both high and low ranges remain within a threshold percentage of their average range over a look-back period. When consolidation is detected and volume strength exceeds the specified multiplier, the system monitors for breakouts above the previous high, bullish, or below the previous low, bearish. Upon breakout confirmation, it creates rectangular boxes representing order blocks that extend forward until price returns to mitigate them. Volume analysis offers 3 calculation approaches. Simple averaging uses current and previous bar volume, relative method compares current volume to the simple moving average over the look-back period, and weighted method applies different weights to current and previous volume bars. The volume threshold multiplier determines minimum strength required for order block creation, with higher values filtering for more significant volume surges. The system maintains a maximum number of active blocks to prevent chart clutter. Trading applications include using order blocks as support and resistance zones, entering positions on pullbacks to unmitigated blocks, and targeting mitigation levels for profit taking. The volume confirmation helps distinguish between genuine institutional activity and retail-driven moves, while the consolidation requirement ensures blocks form at meaningful decision points rather than random price extremes. Pros: volume strength integration, mitigation tracking automation, consolidation pattern filtering. Cons: parameter sensitivity dependence, false breakout susceptibility, visual complexity accumulation. Ranking: 8 out of 10. The indicator successfully combines traditional order block concepts with quantitative volume analysis, creating a more sophisticated approach to identifying institutional footprints. The automatic mitigation tracking and customizable volume calculation methods add practical value, though the multiple parameter dependencies require careful optimization for different market conditions. D-shaped breakout signals. Created by LuxAlgo, This pine script indicator generates D-shaped arc patterns based on swing highs and lows to identify potential breakout opportunities. The system constructs mathematical arcs using quarter circle calculations between significant price pivots, creating distinctive D-shaped formations that highlight areas of price compression and expansion. The indicator identifies swing points using a configurable look-back period, default 50, then constructs D-shaped patterns by drawing arcs between consecutive swing highs to lows or lows to highs. These arcs represent potential support and resistance zones where price action may encounter dynamic barriers. The mathematical construction uses trigonometric functions to create smooth, curved boundaries that adapt to market structure. Breakout signals generate when price penetrates either the upper or lower boundaries of active D patterns. Bullish breakouts occur when price closes above the upper arc boundary, while bearish breakouts trigger when price closes below the lower arc boundary. The system maintains a trailing stop level based on the midpoint of the most recent pattern, providing dynamic support and resistance references. Pattern management includes automatic cleanup functionality that maintains a specified minimum number of visible patterns while removing inactive historical formations. Users can adjust swing detection length, minimum pattern count for display management, D-pattern width as a percentage of swing distance, pattern inclusion options, swing highs, lows, or both, historical pattern display styles, arc, midline, or both, and comprehensive color customization for bullish, bearish, and neutral states. Additional options include connecting swing level visualization and pattern fill coloring. Pros: dynamic boundary adaptation, mathematical precision construction, multi-pattern concurrent tracking. Cons: computational resource intensity, pattern recognition complexity, breakout false positive susceptibility. Ranking: 9 out of 10. It represents advanced pattern recognition through mathematical arc construction, offering sophisticated breakout analysis beyond traditional geometric shapes. The innovative D-pattern approach provides unique market structure insights, though the computational complexity and pattern interpretation learning curve may challenge less experienced traders. Now, do you really think auto support merits such a low rating, or that D-shaped breakout signals deserves its high score? Share your rankings with us. Speaking of rankings, we've evaluated the top 10 trend indicators for 2025 in our previous video. Check it out here.